How to export data from AccuWeather. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking forward to quick and easy on how you can export data from AccuWeather. Directly exporting data from the AccuWeather public website in a downloadable format like CSV or JSON is generally not available. AccuWeather primarily provides its weather information for viewing on its website and mobile applications. However, there are two primary methods to access and export AccuWeather data for analysis. AccuWeather offers a developer API that allows programmatic access to the weather data, including current conditions, daily forecast, and hourly forecast. However, to use the API, you need to register on the AccuWeather developer portal, obtain an API key, and potentially subscribe to a suitable plan, and then you can make requests to retrieve data. The other option is the web scraping. It is technically possible to extract data from the AccuWeather website using web scraping techniques. This involves writing code to programmatically navigate the website and extract information from the HTML structure. However, web scraping can be against the terms of service of many websites, including AccuWeather. Reviewing the terms of use is crucial before attempting this method, as unauthorized scraping can lead to IP blocking or other consequences as well. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.